Right, so I'm not going to be using capital A and capital B over here. I'm going to be using the small letters on my vertical plane. Vertical plane, please label it. Horizontal plane, please label that. You're going to notice that this becomes very important later on. VP and HP and auxiliary. Right. You need to, first of all, transfer line segment A. See the distance from the XY axis to A1. So I come over here and I mark off from the XY axis. I make a little mark there and I draw a line coming across over here. I then need to find out how far across that point is. See, from the auxiliary or the XY axis over there. There it is. I take that and I place it over here. And that would become A1. I can then take a line vertically up from there. And I can find the height of A above the horizontal. You see the horizontal plane? Distance from there to there. Go to the XY axis over here. Mark that distance off. And I will have point A over here. There is point A. Point A1 on the horizontal. For my auxiliary view, I'm going to take that across. And I'm going to get this distance from the XY to A1. Find A, go across to the new XY axis. Mark that off. And that becomes A2. Right? Now once I've got that, I need to find the distance from B. Okay? Distance from B to the horizontal is that distance over there. I can take that across and across over here. Note where I'm marking off. Mark that off. Draw a line across. How far away from the vertical plane is it? Okay, from there. See that distance over there? Mark it down over here, and you will have B. You drop a line down from there. How far from the XY axis to B? Okay, you see that distance? Same as that. I can take that and I can mark that off down over here, and I can find B1. Right, if I take a line across from B at the top over here onto my auxiliary plane, I can then take this distance from XY to the B1, go up to B, take it across and plant it down over there, and I find point B. Point B2. Right, once I've got those, I can then draw in these lines as dark lines joining point A to point B in my vertical plane, point A to point B in my horizontal plane, and point A to point B in my auxiliary plane.